This show is a very important show on the calendar of the Jamaica Agricultural Society. It's one of the events that we use to celebrate Farmers Month. This April is the 34th acknowledgement and celebration of Farmers Month. Let me say why the Eat Jamaican campaign is a game-changing campaign. When we launched the campaign in 2003, our domestic crop production stood at 491,000 metric tons. Last year, 2016, the domestic crop production registered by the farmers of Jamaica stood at 668,000 metric tons. There was a 34.5% increase in domestic crop production over the 14-year period.
Agriculture represents one of the critical areas of the economy. If we are to achieve our 5 in 4 growth target, agriculture is one of the critical areas in getting us there, and in really and overcoming rural poverty is one of the objectives of this government. And unless we in fact overcome rural poverty, we cannot really speak of taking the country from poverty to prosperity. The challenge we face, the government, I speak on a member of the government, and that the Ministry of Agriculture faces is to identify a number of these products and ensure we can commercialize it. You take something like the cassava pancake mix. We have various products of cassava over one exhibition booth, but that is something that can be easily commercialized. It is tasty. It is maybe a better product than the imported wheat flour. The government has initiated a number of policies, of course, which could be beneficial. The Ministry of Agriculture is now associated Ministry of Industry and Commerce, which means they are right beside where it should be. Both agro-processing, marketing, and commercialization come under one window, under one umbrella.